Hey guys, it's Zach. So in today's video, I did something pretty fun. I went thrift store shopping, and not only did I go thrift store shopping, but I also revamped a few of the outfits. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some style tips as well that you kind of want to look for when you're going thrift store shopping. So if you guys are interested in things like that, then keep on watching. Also, if I haven't mentioned already, we did a whole vlog on going thrift store shopping and the different types of stores that we went to. My good friend Levi, you guys can follow his YouTube channel right down below and see where we went shopping and kind of like what kind of stores we targeted, which was really important when you're going thrift store shopping because there's so many different types of thrift stores that you could go to. So as my first outfit that I got, I went ahead and got a tank top that was by Nike. I found this for like $6, and then these fun colorful shorts that I personally think would be perfect for music festivals or just, you know, hanging out, lounging around the house. I think the color of them are super fun. Back pocket's cute, and I just think they're super fun. And you know, 90s is kind of coming back, and it really definitely has those 90s theme to it. And then who doesn't like a good workout shirt as well? This necklace I got there as well, I really like it, and I saw it and I was like, I need to have it. It gives every single outfit just an extra little bling. You guys, I also bought these shorts. I really think they're so cute. They are women's shorts and they are size 0, so they're pretty tight, but I think that these could go with a really cute plain that, you know, I would already have. But I really like the shorts. I think they're super summery and they're fun, and like I said, 90s style is really coming back. So men in short shorts, men in crop tops, and everything like that, that is all really coming back. This outfit is personally one of my favorites that I found. I got these both at the same store, and I just really liked the kind of modern look that it had, the classy look. So this would be a really good outfit if you were going to hang out with a few friends. You could wear it, you know, untucked, or you could wear it tucked in, like so. So, and then I also went ahead and rolled these up. I think this is a really nice touch, especially if you could wear some boat shoes with it and maybe add a cute belt and have that moment. But this whole outfit cost me less than $30, and I think I look more expensive than just less than $30. And it's stylish and fun. Next up, we have this sweater that I bought. I think that it is super cute and it's really stylish. I like the texture on it, and I also like the pattern that they have going on. Fall's coming up, and I really wanted to add something a little bit more edgy and gray for this fall. And what perfect way to do that than a gray on gray patterned freaking sweater. And this is the final piece of clothing that I got. I cut it up, and I will show that right after this clip. But this one I thought was so gothic looking, and it was very big, so I was able to cut it up and kind of make it my own style. I think that wearing clothes looser is definitely in, especially in men's styling. And the overall rolled up look as well, with the sleeves, is really cute, and everybody's been doing that lately as well. So if you guys want to see how I remodeled this, then keep on watching. But if you're not going to keep watching, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to cut this, I'm going to cut the, whatever you call neck liner. I'm going to cut the neck liner and try to make it flare out a little bit. So as you can see right here, it gives it a more comfortable look. As you can see right here, I started to go down a little bit, and then compared to over here, that's really no big deal because you can just cut it at an angle. I kind of wanted to do that so that I can flare it out a little bit, make it more edgy, and kind of pull some strings through. And then I wanted to do some holes. Start by doing is just by, at the tip of the scissors is just kind of cut in horizontal lines, pulling fabric back, but definitely cutting through a little bit, but not going too crazy with it. You could always cut little pieces off as well. Give it a hole, and then just pull the fabric around. Like I said earlier, you can always go back in with sandpaper to give it more textured look. Holes in it will also give it some edgier, detailed look. The cool thing about this is, you know, when you go thrift store shopping, it's really fun to buy unique pieces of clothes because you could literally just go back later and really remodel the clothes. Cut some more holes throughout it. And then just go in with the scissors. Really give it that textured look that you're searching for. Later, you can go back with this with sandpaper or your scissors and really just rip that neckline, give it a nice detailed textured look, and it does look really nice. And it looks like you bought it like that, which is so cool. Okay, so you guys, that is the holes in the cut up neckline. I don't know if I'm gonna do the sleeves. I'm really liking how this has turned out, so I think I'm gonna pass now. So this is the finished look of the sweater. I really like how it turned out. The holes, everything that are in it really gives it a nice look. I think I'm gonna leave the sleeves long. This is gonna be so cute in the fall, especially when you wear like accessories like this. Like, look at how nicely this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching my new YouTube video. If you liked this video, go ahead and comment down below what you liked about it and if you want to see more things like this. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. If you want to see us going shopping, Levi's channel will be linked down below. He should have it posted. If not, Levi, what you doing, girl? Thanks again so much for watching. I'll definitely be making more videos like this, DIY creative stuff, because it's kind of what I like to do. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ew, hate myself. Ah.